My name is Mayurika Srivastava, and just quite recently I finished the financial literacy and entrepreneurship course. And according to me, I loved it. I loved both of them. First of all, I loved how affordable both of them were, how informative both of them were. I loved the slides. They were very descriptive, they were very creative. And although I knew a bit about financial literacy and entrepreneurship beforehand, I've learned many new things. Like, for example, in entrepreneurship, I knew about the skills we needed to become an entrepreneur, but I never knew about a balance sheet or insurances or even that business owners had certain rights. So I had really fun learning that. Both the teachers were amazing, and the slides were really creative as well. The tests were amazing too. They tested my knowledge. Although I didn't know the answer to a few questions, I'm glad that my knowledge improved by making these mistakes. And I've really liked the courses overall. I've liked how affordable the courses were, how quick and easy they were. Like each course barely took 1 month, and the timings were also very flexible. So it was pretty good for me too. Both the teachers were very sweet and kind too. I love that they have like other things outside of this. They have their own professions, they have their own hobbies, they have their own interests, and they have lots of interesting stories to share. I love their personal experiences and even some of the books they have read. I've learned about many books that I could read in the future that will help me in the future, like in financial literacy and in this as well, in entrepreneurship, like The Metro Man of India, and then Psychology and Money. So I think these books are going to help me a lot. But overall, I'd rate these courses a 10 on 10. I will definitely recommend them to you. And they're obviously the best because of the information. I got to know a lot more information. I liked I liked the flexibility and the comfortness between the interactions between teacher and student. I never felt like that there was anything formal or if there's anything I couldn't share. I could openly ask my doubts without any judgment, or I could make some small mistakes without judgment. So I like the course a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mayurika. That was great, and we also had a lot of fun with you. And I really want to say that you actually have a good entrepreneurial mindset, and you should go for this. You should definitely go and start your business one day. Maybe I'll be reading your book one day, right? So all the best for your career. And in case you wish to do any other courses from Little Inventors, you can just contact them, and they'll give you the details about the course. Okay.